Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Capcut on Windows operating system. So the first thing to do is to follow these simple steps. And basically you need just to search for Capcut and here we will find the official website of Capcut. And basically we need just to click on it. We wait until the website is loaded, and after that we will need just to click here on download for Windows. It will redirect us to the download page, and basically here we will find the CapCut that has been downloaded. You click on it, and basically by clicking on the setup file we will start setting up CapCut on our Windows. So you will need just to wait for uh, this bar to charge. You can change the location for the app, and of course you can add a CapCut icon on the desktop. You can choose anything that you want, and of course you can choose another folder where you want to install CapCut on your Windows. So after that the installation has finished, we need just to wait for the installer to close so we can start using our CapCut application. So now that the installer has finished, the environment testing has been starting, so it can start testing all the plugins and all the requirements that CapCut is using. So after all this finishes, we'll have your CapCut that will be fully installed on your Windows. And now we can just confirm, and basically now we have our CapCut that has been installed perfectly on our Windows. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.